guys, it's me back. Today I'm showing you guys all my cars that I have. All my cars that I have. It's me who makes the cars. Me who makes the YouTube channel with the cars. So this is what you call a big red Camaro. It's the best car in the whole collection. And then you get the Dodge Charger. Very nice. Then you get the Skyline GTR. I love it. So nice. And then you get who's this guy? I don't know this guys. And then if you come at the back, you will see the Lambo that I posted last time. Oh, this guy posted. I don't know about this one. Tell me in the comments that I post this one. And comment down below should I post all of these ones. Comment down below guys. Comment. And then if you come at the back, you will see another Dodge Charger right there. It's very nice. You get all these cars if you like and subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway. Whoever likes and subscribes and comments, please gets one of these cars and gets a free Robux pack. Get free Robux packs. So guys, comment down below what's your favorite car. Here's the tow truck. Here's the Porsche GT3, and then you get this one, my Lambo, my Hellcat. All of these cars is from Fast and Furious. I love it. See, it's very nice. I love these ones even. Look at them. Comment down below, guys. Comment down below. If you want one of these. So, once in a while, I'm gonna show you guys this one. But so you get this one. It's called the STO Lamborghini. I love it, guys. I love it. It looks so nice. Look, bro. One thing that I love about this car. Oh, the suspension on this thing is crazy. And one thing makes the sound quick. I love it. It can open doors. And you can pop the trunk right here. It's very nice, bro. Comment down below if you want this one or the other ones, bro. This one suspension is like crazy. Look at it. Once, guys, I'm going to do a face reveal, and then you guys will really see who I am, who makes all the YouTube channel of the cars, bro. I love this one, bro. Like the suspension on this thing is crazy, bro. Crazy. And once I'm going to make a video revealing my house. I love it.